Good job.
Whose present is that?
This one is for Melody.
A present for Melody?
Ooh, this one's for me.
Oh, it's a present for Roxy.
What bow should we put on this one?
Pick a bow.
Oh, careful.
Which bow?
Careful. Should we use a red bow or a white bow? Which one? I do have another one. Would you carry? Oh, this one's heavy. Put your arms out. Put your arms
That
out.
is heavy. That's the Melody one.
This one's heavy.
You put your arms out like this. One there and one there. Can you carry it like that? Do you want me to walk with you? Can Gigi help you?
Yeah.
Okay, walk with here. Hold it with her. Here we go. Okay, where should we put that bow? Where should we put it? You want to put the tape on it?
I'm not gonna get it out.
Okay, let me help. Hold down. Got it. Come in. Let's put it right here, right on the floor, and then we can put some more presents on top of that. Okay, good job. Just about. Where should we put the bow at? Right there. Yep, this one goes. Okay, we have one more. One more. Okay, which bow should we use? Here, look, you want to get the tape? Okay, pull on it. Okay, now pull down. Good job. Okay, now we need a bow. Just about. Which bow should we put on it? And then we'll give it to Eli to take in. Should we use a red bow? Okay, put the tape on it for me. Good job. Okay, now where's the bow go? Do you want to take this one?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to help? Okay, come here. Come here. Come here. Okay, hold on to the present. Okay, we're going to take it. The last present. Woohoo!
Oh, the last present that needs a bow.
That needs a bow.
I'm gonna grab a house.
Good job, boys. Look at all these pretty presents that have bows.
Wow!